लाल वाला बटन है। हाँ हाँ दबा दिया नहीं दबाना था।
That is the same लाल बटन।
तूने अभी मेरे को समझाया है ना, मैं भूल गया। अरे मम्मी ये सब बातें मत बोलो, मेरी आंखें फट जाती है। कुछ नहीं
क्या काम था?
डिलीवरी कर दूं भाई, मैं डॉक्टर नहीं हूँ। मूड खराब करता है जब देखो। तो थाई साथ अटक आई विल सू यू फॉर हैरेसमेंट। तो हम में से कोई भी पायलट नहीं है, पर फिर भी आज हम प्लेन उड़ाएंगे। वो कैसे उड़ाएंगे मैं आगे बताता हूँ। ये कैसे घटिया इशारे थे भाई। ये वापस करो। ठीक है पापा देख लो, अभी तक आपको पता चली गया होगा आपकी जायदाद का बढ़िया कैंडिडेट कौन है।
तो सबसे आगे कौन होगा? You और या मम्मी?
आगे वाले को क्या मिलता है?
You get to fly the airplane.
ओके तेरे को प्लेन उड़ा रहा है? बता हाँ तो उसके लिए तो है ना।
तो कृष्णा की इन्फॉर्मेशन आप लोग मेरा लिख दियो, एंड देन ऑन द अदर साइड यू कैन राइट द राइड अलोंग पैसेंजर्स। तो विराज और आपकी इन्फॉर्मेशन आप इधर लिख देना।
ओके तो उड़ा दिया। और इसका कॉस्ट क्या होगा?
It will be around 288 something.
ओके ये टैक्स वैक्स सब कुछ मिला के। और यहाँ पे कोई भी आ सकता है जो भी कैम लूप्स में?
Anybody.
ओके तो उसको किसको कांटेक्ट करना होगा?
Vayu Aviation.
वायु एविएशन या शुभ को?
It's the same thing.
चलो ठीक है। ओके मैं अच्छा लिखता हूँ। मैं सरल भाषा में बता देता हूँ, अगर आपकी धार ज़्यादा पावरफुल नहीं है तो कृपया सीट के पास आके करें अपना बिजनेस, क्योंकि कन्याओं को दिक्कत होती है। एनिमल देखने के बाद से ही मेरा मन।
So as the in the larger airplanes, you don't really feel the bumps.
ओके
When it gets turbulent, लेकिन in the smaller airplanes, the lighter you are, the more susceptible you are to turbulence.
ओके मैंने पासपोर्ट दे दिया, बट हाँ मैं क्या ही कर लूँगा इसको खोल के भी। तेरे को कॉल करना पड़ेगा।
Well, you need a license to be on this side.
भाई इसको चालू कर दिया सुबह के। ये वाला
Start airplane mode.
सबसे बड़ी है ये अयाशी, सर चढ़ी है ये अयाशी, हम पे यारा जग रही है ये अयाशी है, अयाशी बरसी लगी है।
मैं आ गया।
When you want to fly an airplane, there are 3 things you need to know. So the first thing is the control surfaces.
हिंदी मेरी ऑडियंस थोड़ी वैसे।
Control surfaces होते हैं, ठीक है, ailerons, rudder and elevator.
ओके
So you need to know ये कहाँ पे होते हैं.
ओके
So the ones at the end of the wing, ये होते हैं ailerons.
ओके
So अगर आप इधर आओगे,
आ जाओ।
I mean you can see, there's one on each end of the wing. So if this goes up, the other goes down.
Okay.
I mean if the other goes up, that goes down. I mean if you look at the yoke, it moves left and right. So the major thing with this is, let's say if you want to roll the airplane to the left, you don't hold it like a car.
ओके
Steering wheel. तो कार में क्या होता है कि if you want to turn, तो you keep turning it until you are out of the turn. लेकिन इसमें as soon as you reach a bank angle, you just neutralize it and then it just stays in the bank angle. Don't keep holding on to it. Because if you keep holding on to it, क्या होगा कि you will be entering into a steeper angle and then you will just be going down. So it's not as extreme as it sounds, but if anything goes wrong, I am there to handle it.
हाँ मतलब ये भी संभाल लोगे ना आप?
There's nothing that you do that I can't handle.
ओके परफेक्ट टच वुड।
The ailerons make you roll, so roll is a type of movement that a pilot does.
Okay.
Now the next control surface that you want to know about is the elevator. This guy at the back is the elevator. It goes up and it goes down.
Okay.
Okay? So this makes you do a movement called pitch. So you can either pitch up or down. Okay? So this is how you change your altitude.
Okay.
Right? So let's say if you want to go up, you would want to pull back on the elevator. So if you pull back on the elevator, then this thing goes up,
Okay.
catches more air on the top,
Okay.
makes the tail heavier.
Okay.
So if it makes the tail heavier, the nose goes up. When you're trying to maintain altitude, there's one thing you need to know about is called the cruise attitude. It's where your airplane is like this. Okay, so you will see two-thirds of the sky and 1/3 of the ground. ground.
ओके
Okay? जो आपका होराइजन है where the sky and the earth meet, अगर आप अपनी 4 उंगलियां डैश पे रखोगे तो जो होराइजन है आपका वो आपके हाथ के ऊपर रखना चाहिए.
ओके
That's how you know कि आपका एयरप्लेन लेवल है ऐसे. Okay, so अभी के लिए you just need to know the ailerons, the elevator, and this thing over here is called the rudder. So the rudder makes you do a movement called yaw.
ये वो प्ले स्टेशन का R1 L1 है ना,
I think so.
GTA में जो चलाता है.
Yeah, it's the
ऐसे
L1
ऐसे
R1.
होता है इससे plane में.
Exactly, that's
Okay.
called yawing. Now,
देखो पापा के तो गेम मोशन सिखाते हैं.
so let's just quickly go over it. The ailerons make you roll. The elevator makes you pitch. The rudder makes you yaw. Right? So in layman's term, you can think of it as up, down, left, and right. A few other things when you're trying to turn the airplane. You would want to use your hands and feet at the same time.
Okay.
Yeah?
You don't want to.
You want to use your hands because so in easy words, if I want to explain it, is that the tail of the airplane very liquid and the winds are also catching up a little bit. So I'll try to do it as soon as possible. So क्या होता है कि the tail of the airplane turns at a slightly different rate than the wings.
Okay.
So if you want the tail to follow the turn, you would just want to use the legs.
Okay.
So how that would look like is, let's say if you're turning left, okay? So you're rolling left, and as you're rolling left, you're also using your left leg,
Okay.
left rudder. So you're using the ailerons as well as that in the leg.
ठीक है.
So if this goes that way, your airplane turns to the other way.
Okay. ठीक है.
Now this was how to maneuver the airplane in the air. Now let's talk about how to steer the airplane. This is your left rudder and that is your right rudder. If let's say you would want to steer the airplane to the
君の虜になってしまえばきっとこの夏は充実
so let's say if you wanted to steer the airplane to the left, you would just push the bottom of the rudder.
Okay.
I mean that would steer the nose wheel of the airplane towards the left.
ठीक है.
And same if you want to go the other way, you just push the right rudder in and that makes the nose wheel go to the other side. So that's how you would just steer the airplane.
Okay.
Now you may ask, brakes kahan hai iske, right? Now they are also on your feet. So if you look at the top part of it, if you use this top part, you can activate the brakes on the airplane. So it has 2 main wheels.
Okay.
I mean each main wheel has a separate braking system. So let's say if you're turning left and you want to turn tighter, so you can just apply the brakes on the left main wheel and then you can turn tighter. So what I will get you to do is I will start up the airplane, I will taxi out and I will wait over there and then I will get you to taxi us onto the runway.
Okay.
So you will be using your feet at the point, not the ailerons.
Okay.
Your feet to steer us onto the runway.
ठीक है.
Okay. Now this is the throttle. This is the red button that everyone is scared of.
हाँ कि नहीं दबाना.
That you have to go in all the way. ठीक है?
वो लाल वाला बटन है. हाँ दबा दिया. नहीं दबाना था.
That is the same lal button. Okay, so this thing is called the throttle. So if you want more, I'm sorry.
अरे मम्मी ये सब बातें मत बोलो, मेरी आंखें फट जाती है. अच्छा कुछ नहीं.
So if you push the throttle in, you get more RPMs out of the engine and the prop spins faster. If you want to go slower, you want to pull it back.
Okay, ठीक है.
Okay. Now on the runway, when you want to accelerate, you want to push it in. Now you want to push it in from all the way out to all the way in.
Okay.
5 seconds, right? So count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. By the end of 5, it has to be all the way in. Once you start adding the power, the nose will want to yaw to the left.
Okay.
So then you use your right leg to keep the nose straight on the center line. Center line होती है runway की.
अच्छा वो समझ अब समझ.
So if the nose of the airplane is going towards the left, you would want to use your right leg to keep the nose on the middle of the runway. ठीक है, runway के middle में रखना है आपको बस. Any questions?
कितनी देर में उड़ेंगे हम?
If you want, I can speed up to 5 minutes. Any questions?
भाई तो मुझे बताएगा ना हर चीज़ पे क्या बचेगा.
See, I will explain everything. I
जो तूने अभी मेरे को समझाया है ना, मैं भूल गया हूँ.
You can just step in the same way they did. So left leg ऊपर and then right leg से you can step in.
पकड़ने के लिए है ना?
You can just hold on to the seat. So your shoulder harness, I'm gonna make it a bit more loose. Just pull back on the tab. Pull out on this. Yeah. Okay. Now I'll just quickly go over how the doors operation work. तो अगर आपको door को lock करना है, then you can just go all the way down.
Okay.
And you have, then if you want to unlatch the door, then ऐसे open होता है, लेकिन it's still not open enough. Then if you want to completely open the airplane, then just spring system होता है इसमें, then you pull it all the way back and then it opens that way. That's the key for you.
भाई इसमें चाबी डलती है?
हाँ. टर्बाइन इंजन नहीं है ना इसके लिए.
ये खिड़की तो बंद होगी ना?
I'm scared. हाँ होगी. लेकिन so we'll leave it open on the ground just for air. Then as soon as we are about to enter the runway, we can close it like this.
Okay. और इसमें हम सब अभी भी एक दूसरे से बात कर सकते हैं.
हाँ, so that's the other thing. I want to test the mics out first so that we can hear each other, and then I will start the engine. For it to work, just turn the red switch on.
ये?
And turn the avionics on, the white switch up.
हेलो.
Check 1 2. कहोगे माइक में? हेलो.
हाँ.
So
मेरी आवाज आ रही है?
नहीं, तो आपको अपना माइक लोअर लिप के एकदम आगे रखना होगा, ऐसे.
कैसे? इस मोड में?
ठीक है. अभी just give me a countdown.
ऐसे मत कर भाई. हाँ आ रही होगी आपको.
अरे भैया.
करा डब विच गन तरा जेब विच काली खब्बी सीटी उते रन खड़ा
तो भाई ये था आज का वीडियो. आई होप आप लोगों को पसंद आया हो. अगर पसंद आई वीडियो तो प्लीज़ वीडियो को लाइक करना. चैनल पर नए हो तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना. और हाँ, ये मेरा ऑफिस है. यूट्यूब इज़ नॉट अ फुल टाइम थिंग येट. ओके, अगले वीडियो में मिलते हैं. बाय.